Carl from Studio in Car. We've just finished up this new I-Pace, Jaguar I-Pace, with a DR900S Blackvue UHD Wi-Fi and cloud camera system. So he's got the B112, I think it is. Yeah, the B112 battery pack for assistance with his parking mode. So his battery should never take a hit. It's 12 volt battery in this anyway, accessory. You can see real subtle installation up the front there, dead center of the windscreen for the best field of view. See if I can get in a bit closer for you. Discreet from the driving position, so this is where the driver's head would be. Can't really see much going on up there, which is nice. See if we can spot the battery pack, which yeah, you won't be able to see it. We've put it in a cubby hole down there under the seat next to the fuse box. See if we can focus on the rear camera in here. In this car is a just testing, to say the least, but it is in there, persevered. It's all done properly. See a lot of mess in these in cars like this with bonded surrounds. All sorts of people just jumping cables across and stuff like that, but that's how you should do it. So yeah, that's an I-Pace Jaguar with properly installed Blackvue cameras. Lovely stuff. Of course, as always, everything we install is supplied and fitted in-house. We don't fit if you supply, so you can't bring stuff in here. Purchase from us, we'll install it. It's a lifetime warranty and a lifetime guarantee on our installation, and a manufacturer's warranty. So 12 months on this product. We've got 2 to 3 years on some other products. Yeah, so great stuff.